Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Kik live streaming application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the profile section, look for the notifications button and click on that. And as you can see, this is the setting that you can enable to receive notifications on. So just click on the black button next to it, and once it turns green, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.